Turn $50 into $500 in crypto. Here's how. Hello there. Imagine this, you've got just $50. It's not much, maybe what you'd spend on a couple of takeout meals or a few cups of coffee. But what if that $50 could be the start of your crypto journey? What if, instead of spending it, you could turn it into $500 or more over time? Sounds exciting, right? Well, it's possible, but only if you play it smart and avoid the mistakes most beginners make. Now, before we jump in, remember, crypto isn't magic. It's not about throwing money at random coins and hoping for a miracle. It's about strategy, patience, and learning as you go. Think of this as planting a seed. With the right care and time, that seed can grow into something much bigger. So, let's break this down step by step. First, start small but think long-term. That $50 is your seed money. Don't gamble it all on one moonshot coin because that's how people lose their investment in days. Instead, split it into a few promising projects. For example, $20 could go into a strong, well-established coin like Ethereum or Bitcoin, something stable with a proven track record. Another $15 could go into a mid-cap project with good fundamentals, something that's not in the top 3 but still solid. And the last $15? That's your growth bet. A higher risk, higher reward coin you've researched thoroughly. Second, use the power of DCA dollar cost averaging. Instead of throwing in all your extra cash at once, add small amounts whenever you can. Even $5 or $10 extra per week makes a difference. Why? Because you're buying at different prices, avoiding the trap of buying high all at once. Over months, this helps smooth out the ups and downs. Third, make your money work for you. Many coins offer staking or passive income opportunities. That means simply holding them in the right place can earn you rewards like extra coins. Imagine your $50 slowly earning more just because it's sitting there. That's the power of compounding. Fourth, master your emotions. This is where most people fail. If your coin drops by 20% in a week, your first instinct might be to panic and sell. But remember, crypto is volatile. Dips are normal, and often they're the best buying opportunities if the project is solid. Patience here can be the difference between a $50 loss and a $500 win. Fifth, have an exit strategy. Don't just hope your coins will keep going up forever. Decide in advance, maybe at $250 you take out part of your profits and at $500 you cash out more. Locking in gains means you actually keep the money instead of watching it disappear in the next market crash. And here's the truth. Turning $50 into $500 won't happen overnight. It might take months or even a couple of years, depending on the market's ups and downs. But with patience, smart investing, and discipline, it's achievable. The key is to start now, even if your starting amount feels small. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, this is it. The market rewards action and learning, not hesitation. Start with what you have, grow step by step, and watch your portfolio transform over time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, tap that like button, subscribe for more simple crypto tips, and share this video with someone who's starting their journey too. Let's grow together.